What better way to express your love than with these 7 easy Mother's Day brunch recipes? Celebrate this special day for mothers by making one or all of these meals with the help of this video brought to you by recipes.net. Cinnamon caramel iced coffee. In a pot, pour the coffee and add the cinnamon sticks. Bring to a simmer and continue simmering for roughly 15 minutes until the coffee is fully infused. Discard the cinnamon sticks and set aside to cool down completely at room temperature. Then, pour roughly 3 cups of the cinnamon-infused coffee into ice cube trays. Let it freeze anywhere from 4 to 6 hours until firm. Now cover and set aside the rest of the infused coffee in the chiller. Around the insides of the glass, drizzle some caramel syrup before filling it up with the coffee ice cubes. Pour in the chilled coffee until 3/4 full, then serve with milk, garnished with whipped cream. Powdered sugar pancakes with blueberries. Start by sifting together the all-purpose flour, powdered sugar, dry milk powder, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Set aside. In a mixing bowl, add 2 cups of the pancake mix and water, then whisk until evenly incorporated. Set aside in the chilled area and allow to rest for at least 30 minutes. Meanwhile, preheat the pan and brush with melted butter. Ladle roughly 1/4 cup of the pancake mix and cook until golden brown on one side. Flip and cook the other side, roughly 5 minutes per side. Serve with blueberries, garnished with powdered sugar. Classic Italian bruschetta. In a small bowl, add the tomatoes, basil, garlic, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and salt. Toss to combine, then set aside. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and with the ciabatta slices on a tray, sprinkle over some Parmesan cheese. Bake for 5 minutes until the bread is starting to crisp. Top it with the tomato mixture and garnish with basil before serving. Easy tomato and mushroom omelette. Pour the cooking oil in a pan and add the mixed mushrooms, white onions, cherry tomatoes, and red bell peppers. Stir for about 5 minutes until soft and all liquid has evaporated. Add in the dried thyme, then season with salt and ground black pepper to taste. Stir to combine, then set aside. In a skillet, add the unsalted butter and melt over medium-high heat. Pour in the beaten eggs. Lower the heat to medium and cook for about 10 seconds without stirring until the omelette starts to bubble around the edges. Add the cooked vegetable, then flip one half over the other half to form a half circle. Carefully slide the omelette out of the pan onto a serving plate. Serve with baked beans, sausage, and bacon, garnished with chopped parsley. Tequila sunrise cocktail. Fill a cocktail glass with ice, then pour in the orange juice and tequila. Stir well. Pour the grenadine slowly over the back of a spoon or down the side of the glass. Allow the syrup to settle at the bottom and slowly rise to create the gradient effect. Garnish with a slice of orange and maraschino cherry. Serve and enjoy! Double chicken avocado salad. In a blender, add the cilantro, sour cream, garlic, lime juice, honey, kosher salt, and pickled jalapeno. Blend until smooth and chill for up to 1 week. With the chicken breasts on a baking pan, pour over the olive oil and lemon juice, then sprinkle the taco mix seasoning. Rub the chicken breasts to coat. Cook for 7 minutes per side until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Set aside to rest. Then, put the mixed lettuce and red cabbage in a mixing bowl and pour over the creamy cilantro lime dressing. Toss to coat. Place the coated mixed lettuce on a plate, then sprinkle the cotija cheese, corn kernels, and pico de gallo on top. Add the cooked and diced chicken breasts, then the sliced avocado. Serve with sour cream and enjoy! No-bake raspberry pudding pie. In a large bowl, add the vanilla pudding, milk, and vanilla extract. Beat with an electric mixer on low speed for 2 minutes. Over a graham cracker pie crust, pour the vanilla pudding mixture. Spread the whipped cream over the filling and place the raspberries on top. Refrigerate for at least 1 hour before dusting with powdered sugar to serve. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.